Okay, long way we have traversed together. We talked about neural networks, we talked about k nearest neighbors, and we talked about random forests. Their definitions, the way that they actually work, might seem very elusive at this point. You might have get some ideas, but still you don't feel very confident. The way to get confident about the mechanisms of these algorithms is going through the materials over and over and trying to explain things for yourself or for your pal, friend. It's important to know the mechanisms of these algorithms at an intuitive level. Okay, it's very useful. And it will give you some idea, some overall idea about how algorithms in machine learning actually work. And some better understanding when you want to use these tools. So we had the decision tree from the previous lectures, and now your arsenal has three tools, and they are very versatile. They are different, and and all of them can work with both classification and regression problems, so they can handle both. There are some algorithms, let's say the simplest one, multiple linear regression, or logistic regression. Multiple linear regression is only for regression. Logistic regression is for classification. They cannot address the other side of the problems. So logistic regression cannot address a regression problem. And there are other algorithms like support vector machines. They are also for classification and more. So I tried to introduce you very briefly to the algorithms that can handle both classification and regression problems. As a business graduate, you are not supposed to deeply know the mechanisms or how they actually work of these methods, but you are supposed to have an intuition and an accurate intuition about them and know how and when to use them. And this was the goal of my efforts in this week, in this set of slides. So this is the last slide. We had 19 slides. And if you are more interested in the world of the realm of algorithms, then it is upon you to go and search and learn, because there are many of them outside. And it's a fascinating world, but our time is limited, and we are totally fine with these four methods to work on any sort of problem of cross-sectional data. For time series, we need more and more things, but time series analysis and prediction or forecasting is not in the scope of this module. So I hope that you have learned and you have enjoyed. Enjoyment is more important here, or better to say, you have joyfully learned from this set of lectures.